I've ridden in Lambos and Ferraris, but those didn't scare me like this one did. It was.
Today we're going to be meeting up with Kam. He is a YouTuber here in Portland, Oregon. He wants a little ride-along video in the Corvette, so we're going to show him what it's made of. That will be later today around 7. So once we get a little bit into this car, digging into it, maybe we'll stop at some point and get ready to take the Corvette out and give him a little show. It's always exciting to see people's reactions in that car. So we will see how he reacts. I'm going to be recording videos of my own for our, content purposes. And yeah, just see how he reacts, really. I'm just hoping that a belt doesn't break when I do take him for a ride. You can see our front splitter is gone. Those things never last on this damn thing. I didn't even bother putting on the new one because I already know it's going to break after this drive. All right, y'all, we're on our way to meet up with Kam now. We're going to meet him at a 7-Eleven. And we're gonna show him what this car is about. I know he's there already, so once we get there, we'll probably do some talking, go over the car a little bit, go out to some back roads, and have some fun. Got some decent weather, 83 degrees. Car's still warming up. Hopefully, we're definitely gonna have traction once I warm up these tires, but hopefully we don't have a belt break on us. That's the only downside. I do have 2 spares just in case. I checked it before I came over here. Tension seems fine, so we should be good. All right, you guys, we made it out here with Kam. He's checking out. He's just getting some B-roll right now. We got the car parked out here. We did a little bit of a build overview, so if you want to see that, go check out his page, Kam. I'll put his tag in this video here so that you guys know where to go. But now we're just getting ready. We're gonna do a startup and we're gonna take it out and take it for a spin.
8 tank of gas.
Hell yeah. You're gonna need a billet by the end of the night.
Yeah, no, for sure. Probably after a couple pools.
Yeah, right.
Definitely. All right, here we go.
Let's do it. Inside the cabin, it's crazy.
It's like a fighter jet.
Yeah, dude, that's what I was saying when 7-Eleven, the supercharger made it sound like a fighter jet.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Call it Corvette Airlines. Wish I could see more.
Yeah.
Even right here, it's not too bad.
Yeah, right here's not bad either. Want to say fucking do it real quick?
Yeah, fuck.
All right.
Let's do it. I'll do a U-turn at the light and I'll rip past you.
So you're coming this way?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Holy shit, yeah.
Corvette Airlines, I'm telling you. And she was spinning too. Sounds good at idle and driving.
So I gotta ask, when you first got the car up to the power that it has, Did it make you scared to drive it and get on it?
It definitely did. And this being my first manual car, man, I'll tell you, it was a learning experience, that's for sure. So I had to do a lot just to get it to make the power it does now. I would say the tune for the first year and a half was not right until I got with Evan at RPM Logic. He got the tune right, and ever since then, it's been about a year now, so it's taken me, I'd say maybe a year to get used to the power level when I had it, because it was always just building more and more and more. And after I did, you know, the full engine rebuild, because I had a lifter failure, which is common on these cars, I did a full engine rebuild, and I did a couple power adders like the cam and whatnot, and getting it tuned by Evan made this car really open up, and man, it just goes on the top end.
Jeez.
So, I mean, I've gotten used to it now. Honestly, I kind of want more.
What power level do you think you want to get to?
The next step, I'm hoping to be just under 1,000. I don't want to be at 1,000 just yet, just because the stock trans and diff don't like it. I want to, you know, run that trans and diff till it breaks.
Right.
Obviously, I'm going to be doing something like a transmission brace and whatnot to kind of prevent it from breaking. But if it breaks, then that's my excuse to get, you know, a build diff and trans.
There you go.
And then if I do that, I want to be over 1,000 for sure. Wheel, it's got to be 1,000 wheel.
Right.
Yeah, these valves are nice.
Yeah, for sure. And there you guys can hear that he opened it back up, so now it's super loud again.
The loudest Corvette in Oregon, the quietest Corvette in Oregon.
Yeah. So can you actually make that claim that you're the loudest? You're probably up there.
I don't know, honestly. I haven't really heard it outside of the car,
Yeah.
if I'm being honest. And the videos don't do it justice.
Right.
The one day I don't bring sunglasses.
Yeah, right. Alright, so he's gonna do a little pull for us.
Let's wait till it straightens out.
Yeah.
Alright, we go. First gear, no traction, but let's go.
Dog, that is crazy.
I didn't see where we were at with boost, but I definitely could feel some belt split. The idle, or the RPM was kind of breaking up a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I could hear it. But it's still running, you know,
Yeah.
as strong as it can.
I bet you all those people out there can hear your car.
Oh, definitely. Nice day with the
Oh, dude.
river outside. Alright.
You guys can just hear that whistle. Sounds like a fighter jet.
Definitely a fun car. You get into a lot of trouble with this one.
The jet feels like it wants to take off.
It does. It just wants to keep going.
That's crazy. Buying a plane ticket to Air Chevy Corvette today wasn't on my bingo card, but here we are.
Yes, sir. Corvette Airlines. Yeah, this blow-off valve is really unique with its sound. A lot of people don't have this blow-off valve. It's max flow racing blow-off valve.
Okay.
They always ask me, how do you get it to whistle so much? And that's what it is, the max flow racing
That's it.
from Vortex. See, we're at 40 right here. thought it was a cop for a second. Oh, look at that. Low fuel line.
No fuel light, yeah.
You need some fuel now.
That's crazy.
Probably why we're spinning.
Oh yeah, probably.
I slammed on the brakes though.
I
It was
know.
off right there.
I don't think it would have mattered. I think he would have still got you.
Yeah. That was a nice little rip though.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I know when to let off.
Oh yeah?
I had to let off there in second because otherwise it would have kicked out.
That's good. That's good that you know your car.
Yeah, got to, man. Had to grab some gas real quick. We were at about a little over quarter tank, and we ended up getting down to E, so we had to, cruise over to the gas station, get some gas. We got gas in there now, but we're sitting here with the hood open because this car has a lot of heat soak issues. The starter is just too hot, so it won't start. I gotta let it sit for about 10 minutes with the hood open, and we'll be able to take off from here. Okay, let's see if she starts now. I think it's been about 10 minutes. She should start up.
Oh, we're back in business.
Now you can see why they don't like me at drive-thru.
Do you have to turn your car off quite often?
I usually do. Actually, if I'm at a speakerphone one, like where they have to take the orders, I will. But like here, I don't turn it off.
All right, hit it. Oh, I smell the fuel.
Yeah. All right, we just made it back to the original 7-Eleven that we came from. I want to ask Cam, how was your experience with the car?
Bro, it had me scared when he pulled out here or somewhere. We started right off with a pole and a flyby, and I told the camera, if you guys go watch my video, I said to the camera, I haven't been scared or nervous for a ride along. Then this car is definitely top notch, man. It was up there. So like I've ridden in Lambos and Ferraris, but those didn't scare me like this one did. It was pretty wild, but really fun.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I'm glad I could give you that experience.
Definitely.
Go check out his channel again. He's gonna have his videos coming out. He records a lot of car meets here in Pacific Northwest, so if you want to see that, go check him out, and definitely subscribe.